Yes.
Okay. So we were just adjusting these areas, like we were just setting like C till G, we were just combining it. And then from here, I till L, we were combining it. Okay. And then we were supposed to do that. So in today's class, we will be inserting the formulas. Okay. So place in cell G4 a function to calculate the total income for the month of January. I need to calculate the total income for the month of January. This is my month, January, and this is my income. Income is divided into further four parts: entrance fee, shop, feeding, donations, and the total. So this is my area G4. The cell address is G4. So I'm going to calculate the sum function of sum. The function of sum always start with an is equals to sign. All the formulas in Excel starts with an is equals to sign. After is equals to, write SUM. Then you will have suggestions in the drop down. Select sum from here. Double click on it. Okay. And then select your range by dragging your mouse pointer over the specified range. Entrance fee, shop, feeding, donation. Following me, Mohammed?
Yes.
Okay. So I will close the bracket and I will press the enter button. So my sum for the income has been calculated. Can you apply this formula, Mohammed?
Yes. Done.
Is equals to sum and select your range. This is the formula.
Yes.
Okay, done.
Yes.
Okay. Let's move to the next part. Okay, point number 12. Place in cell L4 a function to calculate the total expenditure for the month of January. Again, this is about calculating the expenditure. So again, we're gonna apply the sum formula.
Okay.
This is my expenditure. So over here they have asked me, I guess it's an L4, yes. So L4 I will be calculating is equals to sum and choose my range. In expenditure, I have staff, feed, and utilities. Selected, close the bracket, press enter. So my total is here. Okay,
Okay.
okay. I'm moving to the next part. That is part number 13. Point number 13. It says place in cell N4 a formula to calculate the profit for the month of January. Okay. The profit, now they are telling me the formula. The profit is the total income minus the total expenditure for this month. Formula is the total income minus the total expenditure. So is equals to total. They have asked me to calculate the formula. So they have asked me to calculate the formula where? Okay, in N4. So my N4 is here, this one. I need to calculate income minus expenditure to calculate my profit loss. So the formula they have told me income minus expenditure. This is my income. Select this cell, minus sign, and select this cell. Following me, Mohammed?
Oh, wait.
Minus sign is from the dash.
Okay.
Okay,
There was a slight problem. Wait. Okay.
okay. Just check again. Is equals to this cell, G4 minus L4. Okay. Okay, and I will close my range. So the answer is 5742. I have calculated the balance is this value plus this value, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now come to the next thing. Replicate the formulas entered in step 11 to 14 for each month. Whatever we have calculated so far, like the income total, the total income, the total expenditure, the profit loss, and the balance, we need to replicate all these values. So in the previous class, I told you a shortcut. That was, I'm not going to enter the formula for each of these values. Instead, After selecting this values, I will take my mouse pointer at the corner of the cell and I will drag down till here. And you can see that all the values are entered.
Yes.
Okay. After that, we have to do the same for the expenditure. Once you are done, let me know, then I will drag it.
I am done.
Okay, so I'm doing the same for the expenditure one. All the values are here. Then again for the profit loss. Done. And then last again for the, make sure where we have calculated the formula, I am just dragging that one. Okay. Here it is. Okay.